topic is Poisson distribution. Here, first of all, we should know what is meant by Poisson distribution and what are the characteristics of Poisson distribution and the situation where we can apply this Poisson distribution. All those things will be discussed here. First of all, we should know it is a discrete probability distribution. That means the random variable which takes the value as 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n. Discrete probability, that means there is no value will be carrying in between 0 and 1 or 1 and 2, etc. That is a specialty for discrete probability distribution. Here, next we can define the Poisson distribution as the random variable x which follows Poisson distribution with the mean m or lambda. M and lambda both indicate mean, and the probability of x equal to x is equal to e raised to minus lambda into lambda raised to x the whole divided by x factorial, or e raised to minus m into m raised to x by x factorial. This is the probability function of Poisson distribution. Next we can discuss about what are the characteristics of Poisson distribution. The first characteristics of Poisson distribution is it is a positively skewed distribution. The next one is it is also a discrete probability distribution. Here, the mean which is represented as m or lambda, which is equal to n into p. That means the situation where we can apply the Poisson distribution is the probability of happening an event is very, very small. That is, the value of p is very, very small and the value of n is large. In this particular situation, we can apply the Poisson distribution. The Poisson distribution is the limiting form of binomial distribution which can be applied when the probability of happening an event is very, very small and the value of n is large. The ultimate feature of Poisson distribution is mean and variance of Poisson distribution is same. That is, mean equal to n into p and variance is also n into p. The standard deviation of Poisson distribution is root np. These are the general idea and definition about Poisson distribution. Thank you.